Hello sa lahat ng aking mga masugid na tagapakinig. Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers sa pagtutok dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. I'm also getting like you guys have been waiting for this reading. Okay, hinihintay nyo itong reading na ito. And whenever I do tarot reading, naghihintay kayo. Maraming salamat. At kayo ay naghihintay. Okay, nakaka-appreciate po yun. Okay, so kamusta kayong lahat? Sana ay kayo ay okay. Okay? Buckle up. Okay? Be sure na komportable kayo sa kinaupuan nyo ngayon. Kasi yung iba dito ay parang kumakain habang nanonood or parang may ginunguya. Okay? Yung iba naman dito parang kahit nasa trabaho talagang pinapanood, talagang nag-sneak. Okay? May sneaky energy tayo dito habang nasa trabaho. Okay? Talagang tinatangkilik mo itong reading na ito or talagang parang na-encourage kang panoorin ito or siguro you are drawn. Okay, na-drawn ka siguro sa reading na ito or sa video na ito kaya parang gusto mo talaga mapanood ito. Okay, so again, mag-ingat kayo palagi whenever you watch this video. Kung nasa trabaho ka man or kung nasa biyahe ka man, mag-ingat-ingat po kayo. Okay, so let's get this reading right now. Alamin natin kung para saan yung reading mo. Okay, Spirit Angels, para saan ang reading natin ngayon sa aking mga minamahal na at masugid ng aking mga viewers. Okay. Para saan ito? Meron tayo ditong camera and karmic relationship, kisses. Wow. So, you guys are dealing, okay, this is about your love life. Okay, maybe you're dealing with your karmic, okay, your karma person. Okay. So, we have here reminiscing, keepsake, perception. You can take a picture of this or screenshot mo na lang. Okay, reminiscing, keepsake, perception, learn from the past, make memories, and karmic relationship, fleeting triggers, turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go and loving you, kisses, unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Alam mo, dito sa reading na ito, mas maraming ang gustong malaman about their love story. It's all about their love life, their person. Okay, so ang bigat-bigat ng energy na kukuha ko na ngayon. But anyway, you guys are still reminiscing with your person. Siguro yung iba dito minamanifest, sana ang video nito is about my person. Well, we get your energy, girl and guy. Okay, so yeah, you guys are reminiscing with your person and maybe you're dealing with your karma, with your karmic person, and someone wants to send you a kiss, okay? Admiring you here, affection, or parang may na-fall dito. Baka ikaw ang na-fall or baka yung person mo ang na-fall sa'yo. Or finally nga, na na-fall na sa'yo, okay? So, let's get this energy first, okay? The camera, Spirit Angels. Okay. This could be about your past person. Okay, meron tayo ditong past person. Maybe you are reminiscing about your past person. Iniisip mo pa rin siya kahit wala na. Okay, siguro may distance dito. It doesn't have to be na wala na kayo. Siguro may distance lang. Ini-stalk mo siya, chine-check mo siya, yung mga picture niyo. Tinitingnan niyo palagi. Okay? And you want, you guys are very courageous. Okay, hot, very good looking, or talagang malakas ang appeal ninyo, charismatic. Okay, you have this strength, matatag, malakas. Okay, talagang pinagpatuloy, very positive energy here. Pinagpatuloy ninyo, talagang patuloy kayo sa buhay nyo. Okay, kahit mahirap, okay, or in a bad situation, patuloy pa rin talagang kumakayod pa rin kayo. Hindi kayo nawawalan ng pag-asa, which is good. Okay, so laban lang. Okay, so yeah. So Spirit Angels, tell me more about the camera. What is this all about the camera? Okay, about our people. Oh my God. This is about the past person. Okay, so maybe you are waiting for this person na, or it could be your admirer, or you could be admiring this person. Baka in-admire mo itong taong ito na sana ay ligawan ka. Na sana ay may maghihingi ng patawad, pagpapatawad, or ligawan ka, suyuin ka uli. Okay, or magpapakita ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Okay, so again, this is a general reading. Just take what's yours. If not, baka hindi to ang energy para sa'yo. Okay, so ikaw lang nakakaalam kung ano yung sinasabi ko dito. So, baka ikaw ay makakarasunod dito sa mga sinasabi ko dito. Okay, so iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin dito. So, yeah, anuhin mo na lang kung paano mo intindihin itong mga message dito, itong mga mensahe dito na yung mga energy na kukuha natin dito. So yeah, 6 of Cups or yeah, So siguro you are still yearning, okay? If this is about like a long distance or a past person, okay? Maybe you are still yearning na sana ay itong taong ito ay magbabalik muli at sana itong tao ito ay maghihingi ng sorry, okay? This could be related to a love life, okay? Or a person na you really care, okay? It could be a family member na kinikare mo and siguro lately wala kayong communication, okay? Maybe you are yearning. Siguro talagang iniisip mo itong taong ito lately or parang nagto-throwback sa yung mga memories sa taong ito, okay? Whatever it is, or whoever it is, ikaw na nakakaalam. So maybe you are still hoping na sana ito ikakausapin ka or kakausapin ka muli, okay? Or yeah, kahit na siguro napapaisip mo rin na yung mga, I'm also getting like siguro may mga tinutulungan kang tao, okay? Siguro lumalabas sa memories mo yung mga events na yun na nakakatulong ka sa kapwa mo. Okay? There's also the energy that we're getting na naalala mo. Okay? Naalala mo yung mga time na nakakatulong ka sa kapwa. Okay? I'm also getting like during the pandemic, tumutulong ka or nagdodonate ka sa mga tao na nangailangan ng tulong. Okay? So, yeah, that's also another specific message here. Okay? So, again, yeah. So, meron tayong ditong 6 of Cups. It's about a past person, past event, okay? So naalala mo, okay? Or talagang nakaka-capture ng isipan mo itong pangyayaring ito. At minsan nga parang naalala mo itong taong ito or itong pangyayaring ito, napapatawa ka na lang or napapangiti ka na lang. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo parang anong tawag doon? Yung parang nag-sitting pretty ka lang tapos iniisip mo yung crush mo or yung admirer mo na kahit celebrity man to, parang napapatawa ka na lang or, parang, what if kung niligawan akong itong taong ito, why not? Okay? Deserve ko naman. O baka malay mo, gusto din ako ng taong ito. Okay? So, that's also the energy that I'm getting for you here. Okay? So, what else? Sorry. What else about more? Okay? So, kung iniisip mo sana ay itong tao ay magbabalik, okay? Kung sa iba sa inyo iniisip mo sana ay magbabalik siya o magkakabalikan pa kami, tanongin natin sa universe kung kailan kayo ulit magkakabalikan. Okay? Kung may chance pa. Okay? Spirit Guardians, kailan babalik itong taong ito na minamanifest ng person natin? Okay? Ng viewers natin. Kailan siya babalik? Okay? Kailan siya babalik? 1 year from now. Wow. Babalik itong taong ito, okay? Ihingi ng sorry sa iyo or mangliligaw sa iyo, whatever it is, babalik siya 1 year from now, okay? May pagpapatawad dito or kapatawaran, okay? May manliligaw dito. So again, this is general reading. So maraming viewers dito, hindi to private reading, ha? Okay. So what else, Spirit Guardians? So 1 year from now, abangan nyo na to. Itong ito ay lalapit sa iyo or may admiration dito sa iyo, okay? May kapatawaran, may a person from the past, a person from siguro in-admire tong taong ito na sana ay mangliligaw sa sayo or lalapitin ka. Yes, this person's coming back 1 year from now. Okay? Or itong taong ito ay susuyuin ka 1 year from now. Okay? Yes. I'm also getting like if you are na long this parang matagal na yung relasyon ninyo dito. Okay? 1 year from now, if you are na long-term relationship already, hindi pa kayo committed, okay? So, 1 year from now, itong person ay magpo-propose sa iyo. Okay? May proposal tayo ditong mangyayari, okay? 1 year from now. And we also have another opportunity for you 1 year from now, okay? A business proposal is about to happen. Okay? May mag-propose sa iyo dito, may working together, okay, sa negosyo, okay? Or may idea dito, okay? Collaboration. So, 1 year from now, may lalapit sa iyo, may mag-offer sa iyo in a positive way. Okay? So, darating itong taong ito, tutulungan ka financially or another kahit anong tulong ito. Okay? There's a positive person na darating sa buhay mo 1 year from now. It's a goodwill from this person. Okay. What else? What is this about the karmic relationship, Spirit? Can you just tell me more about this karmic relationship? What is this about? Okay. Itong karma, it could be a karma from the person. Okay. Or a friendship, family member na you're dealing right now. Okay. King of Wands. Tell me more about the King of Wands, Spirit Guide Angels. So again, King of Wands, meron tayong King of Wands about your karmic relationship. Okay? Um, just follow your intuition, guys. Okay? So, you guys are being honest. Okay? Ikaw ay naging totoo. Okay? So, be honest with your person kung sino man yung kasalamuhan ninyo. Okay? It could be related sa katrabaho. Okay? Family members, partner. Okay? Kasi karmic relationship, you could be dealing with yung karma mo. Okay? A karma from with the person. Okay? So, a person from your relationship could be, okay? Or business relationship, okay? Or a friendship or family members. It depends kasi marami tayong karma sa buhay eh. Okay? It depends of who we are facing right now, this karmic relationship. Okay? Relationship sa katrabaho, relationship sa partner mo. Okay? Maybe you're dealing with your karma person. Okay? Maybe you're dealing with, maybe may trigger dito sa pangyayaring ito. Okay? So again, follow your intuition. Okay? Kasi feeling ko parang nararamdaman mo parang may third party. I'm also getting like my third party dito. Parang may ahas. Okay? Parang bang pinapalibutan ka ng ahas. Pero hindi naman to ahas ang nandito ha. Okay? So, you guys are being fearless. Okay? Parang bang may sneaky people dito. I'm getting like my sneaky people sa paligid mo. So be aware, be careful. Okay? Nararamdaman mo sila kung sino itong mga ahas sa paligid mo, sino itong mga hindi naging totoo sa iyo. Okay? Sino itong mga users. Okay? You guys are very intuitive. Yeah. Maraming din, kung ikaw naman tong boss energy, magaling sa negosyo or ikaw ay may mga negosyo or ikaw ay nasa mataas na larangan sa trabaho. Okay? So, be careful. Kasi meron din ditong parang gusto nila makuha kung anong meron sa'yo. Okay? Meron ditong gusto nila makuha yung kapartner mo. Yeah. Meron din ditong ina-admire ka. So again, be careful kasi parang napapalibutan ka ng mga negative people. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo dito. And that's what you are dealing right now with this karma. Okay? So, be careful. Follow your intuition. Pakaramdaman mo yung mga nararamdaman mo kasi totoo yan. You guys are very intuitive. Okay? Psychic. May pagka-psychic kayo dito. Yeah, optimistic. You guys are being funny. So, mag-iingat din kung sino, okay lang naman kung mag-joke kayo, di ba? But be mindful na dapat talaga ay maging sensitive din kayo. Be sensitive sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi minsan, may mga tao din talaga na napaka-sensitive din. Mga sensitibong tao na minsan ay hindi mo alam na, nasaktan mo siya kahit sa partner mo. Okay? Siguro ikaw tong tao na you are very friendly, okay? Friendly and talagang joker. Then minsan talaga parang naiinis na rin yung partner mo sa'yo, okay? So parang nagkakaroon kayo ng turmoil, okay? Pagsubok sa buhay. Nagkaaaway, away bati, parang ganon. So, ingat-ingat. Be mindful na kailangan talaga maging sensitibong tao ka rin, okay, sa kapwa mo. Okay? Kumbaga, meron ditong karma na kung anong ginagawa mo sa kapwa mo, yun din ang balik sa'yo. So, para maganda ang balik sa'yo, yung iba sa inyo dito, you are facing your karma. Para maganda ang balik sa'yo, dapat maganda din ang pakikitungo mo sa kapwa mo. Okay? Dapat wala kang ginagamit na tao. Okay? Malinaw or malinis ang iyong konsensya. Dapat ganon. Okay? So, do things good to others. Okay? Para good things ang balik din sa'yo. Okay? So, vision. So, continue on what you are visioning right now. Siguro na yung iba sa inyo, nakakuha ka ng mga vision sa buhay mo. So, continue. Okay? Kung maganda yung vision mo na in a positive way na magiging boss ka, magiging hari ka, magiging rena ka, okay? Magiging continue yung, anong tawag doon? Magle-level up yung finances mo, yung buhay mo, yung career mo. I-vision mo, okay? Isalarawan mo na sa isipan mo na magiging successful kang tao. Kaya mo to. Okay? Yeah. Hindi ka mawawala sa trono mo. Walang papalit or walang makakapalit sa iyo. Okay? So habang na-vision mo to, okay, namamanifest mo 'yan. So continue lang. Okay? Continue. Yeah, be optimistic, okay, and energetic. Yeah, you guys are very energetic, funny, loving, okay, charismatic. Napaka-healthy ninyo, nakukuha ko napaka-healthy ninyo, and you are very talagang malakas ang dating ninyo. Okay? So, nasabi ko na yan kanina, di ba? So, lumabas ulit yung malakas yung dating ninyo. Okay? Kaya nga maraming na-attract sa inyo kasi ang lakas ng energy ng ano ninyo, ng dating ninyo. So, na-attract talaga. Marami na-attract sa inyo. Even sa social media. Ang daming tao na-attract sa inyo. Okay? Sa pananamit ninyo, yung mga nakaka-encourage ka ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Okay? So, continue lang. Okay? And again, do good things to others para maganda din ang balik sa inyo. Okay? So, kisses, spirit ka rin. Ano itong kisses? Tell me more about the kisses. What is this about the kisses? Unconditional loving. Okay, that you need to know about this time. Okay. Yes. So again, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, yung hindi pa nakapag-move on, okay? Yung hindi pa nakapag-move on from the past, move on na sa mga tao na saktan or sinaktan kayo, move on na po kayo. Okay? So again, move on, okay? Let God, okay? Let go and let God. Ika nga sabi nila, 'di ba? Let go, let God na. Okay? So again, move on na sa mga tao na nanakit sa iyo, sa mga panghihirap, okay? Move forward, okay? Kaya mo 'yan. Yeah. The universe is guiding you towards your success, happiness, okay? So talagang gina-guide ka ni universe, okay? So you are guided towards success. Yeah. Okay? So kung gusto mo ng stability, okay? Okay, kung ikaw itong tao na you want a stable relationship, happy family, okay? Kailangan talaga mag-let go ka na, okay? Para dumating yung blessings, okay? Or yung abundance na ibibigay ng universe sa'yo, okay? As long as nakapag-move on ka na sa taong ito o sa mga pangyayaring ito, okay, sa paghihirap, move on ka na, o sa relationship, o sa mga taong backstabber, musog hearing like may mga backstabbers, may mga bashers ka dito, okay? Tumalikod ka, talikuran mo na sila. Wala silang magandang maidudulot sa iyo. Okay? So, kasi binigyan mo sila ng minahal mo sila. Naging totoo ka. Okay? Siguro pagdating sa relationship, ilang beses ka na nasaktan, okay? Ilang beses mo na binuhos yung pagmamahal mo sa kanila. Let go of all of those people. Okay? So, focus ka na lang sa sarili mo, okay? Focus ka sa career mo. Kasi dito, karmic, okay? Para maganda ang balik sa iyo, focus ka sa sarili mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan na mag-revenge para sa kanila. Mag-revenge ka pa sa sarili mo. Okay? So, focus sa sarili. Okay? So, i-vision mo sa sarili mo na maging successful ka. I-vision mo sa sarili mo na aangat ang buhay mo. I-vision mo sa sarili mo na magkakaroon ka rin din ng tao na tunay na magmamahal sa'yo. Darating din siya. Dahil talagang darating siya. Ibibigay yan ni universe para sa'yo at the right time. As long as nakapag-move on ka na sa mga toxic relationship. Okay? Or from the past situation. Okay? You deserve happiness. You deserve stability. Okay? Meron tayo ditong stability in a relationship. Stability sa pamumuhay, sa pamilya. Okay? So, whatever you are wishing for, kung ano man yung binivision mo, relationship, family, career, friendship, you will deserve that stability. Okay? Yung tunay na kaibigan, yung tunay na magmamahal sa'yo, you will achieve that as long as mag-move forward ka na. Talikuran mo na yung mga taong plastic, talikuran mo na yung mga kagawa na hindi dapat sa'yo, na hindi magandang gawin, talikuran mo na yon. Okay? I'm also getting like when it comes to your health, talikuran mo na yung mga bisyo na hindi dapat gawin. Okay? Para stable. Stable ang pamilya mo, ang iyong health, okay, ang iyong kalusugan. Kung ayaw mo magkasakit, talikuran mo na yung mga, siguro pagyuyosi, okay, or non-stop inuman. The universe is telling me to tell you, nasabihin sa iyo na, it's time to change. Okay? Para makapag-provide ka sa pamilya mo, sa mga anak mo, kung ikaw ito ng mga anak, okay, talikuran mo na yung mga habit, bad habit na hindi maganda sa iyo. Okay? Hindi maganda sa finances mo, hindi maganda sa I'm also hearing like friendship. Okay? Talikuran mo na yun. If ever na, if you're with friends if you're surrounded with bad friends, okay, yung mga hindi magandang nabigay, o na hindi magandang binigay na dulot sa iyo, okay? Talikuran mo na sila kasi wala silang, ang tawag doon, wala kang may dudulot na makagandahan sa kanila, o sa sarili mo, o sa pamilya mo. Okay? Talikuran mo na sila. Mag-vision ka ng mga positibong bagay. I-vision mo, isalarawan mo sa isipan mo, at nang habang isinalarawan mo yun sa isipan mo, okay, nagiging affirmation mo na yun sa buhay mo. Okay? Habang binivision mo siya, I am successful. I am being loved. Okay? Magbabalik siya sa akin. Maghihingi siya ng pagpapatawad. Okay? Darating yung love ko. Darating yung first love ko. Okay? Okay? Maging successful ang pamilya ko. Stable ang pamilya ko. Stable ang relationship ko. Habang ginaganyan, habang nag-affirmation ka na ganyan sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo pang araw-araw, okay? Successful, I am successful, I am being loved, I'm being guided. Yan, 1 year from now, you will feel the abundance from the universe. Okay? Stability ang darating sa'yo. Money, career, love life, okay? The person that you are waiting for, meron tayo itong hinihintay mo, o pinapray mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you might be, parang nananaginip ka. Okay? So pay attention, you might be getting a vision from your dreams. Okay? So we have here vision, okay? A vision and returning from the past, okay? So maybe you are nananaginip ka na siya ay magbabalik. So habang parang signs ito. Pay attention sa mga signs, okay? Nakikita mo sa panaginip mo, okay? And even also sa music, okay? Pay attention. Or sa mga nababasa mo. You are getting a vision or a message from the universe. Okay? Even this reading, okay, siguro nakukuha ka ng ito ang mga mensahe from the universe na signs. Okay? Para sa yung stability na hinihintay mo or hinihiling mo. Na sana ay magbabalik siya, na sana ay maging kumpleto ang pamilya mo, na sana ay maging successful ka, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng magandang trabaho, or makakapunta ka sa isang city or sa abroad, okay? So, kailangan talaga ng actions. Hindi pwede nakaupo ka rin. Kung gusto mo ng pagbabago, you have to do it. Kailangan mong gawin iyon. Hindi pwede nakaupo ka lang. It needs to be more action. Kailangan gawin mo. Okay? Hindi pwede matutulog ka lang hanggang panalangin ka lang. Wala kang gagawin. The universe is giving you signs. Okay? Through dreams or through this message or this video. Okay? So, in-encourage ka ng universe kung gusto mo ng stability, ma-achieve iyon. Okay? You need a movement. Kailangan isa katuparan mo yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. We are here backing you up. Okay? Ginaguide ka namin. Okay? So, hindi pwede na, ayan, ibigay na lang ni universe sa'yo in front of you. No. Okay? You need to do your part. Kailangan may part din para sa'yo na kailangan mong gawin iyon through actions. Hindi pwede nakaupo o nakahiga ka lang. Okay? So, what else? Any message from the universe? So, whenever you watch this reading, guys, sana nakaresonate kayo. And this is timeless, okay? So, whenever you watch this reading, then meant for you na makita mo ito. What else, Spirit Guiding? Just tell me a message. So, we have here, Dust Keeping Dragon from Andromeda. So, more about pink is about love. So, more about love tayo dito sa ating reading. Hindi naman lahat, di ba? So, kung ikaw ay nagmamanifest sa love reading, then continue. I-affirm mo yung sarili mo, okay? Sabihin mo or i-vision mo sarili mo, magbabalik siya, iingin siya ng pagpapatawad, okay? Yung admirer ko, sana ay mangligaw na sa akin. Okay? I-vision mo na siya ay kausap ko, magkasama kami, or sa trabaho, okay? Okay, even sa trabaho, gusto mo makapagtrabaho sa mga buildings, meron tayong mga buildings dito, you need to build your strength. Okay? Kailangan talaga na you need to strength na maisakatuparan yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Yeah. You are holding the key, the power. You have the power within you na matupad iyon. Kailangan talaga na more positive, okay? More power, okay? Kailangan talaga gawin mo yun, isakatuparan mo yun, be positive, and do good things to others para magandang balik sa'yo, magandang karma ang darating sa'yo, okay? So, prepares all your chakras to embody higher love, accept and radiate higher love, touch others with its flame. So, yes, you guys have a beautiful music within you. So, maganda siguro yung di ba sabi ko kanina, listen to the music. Yeah, we have here also music. Okay, so maganda siguro yung boses ninyo. Okay, maybe you have like an angelic music. So, kung may maganda kayong music, boses, okay, kung singer kayo, ganyan, ipapatuloy nyo lang. Okay, malay mo ay alam mo, I'm also getting like through your voice, through your sound, your music, your song, you are healing people. Okay? Yeah, iba-iba ang natin eh. Iba-iba talaga ang powers na binibigyan ng universe sa atin, different healing power. Okay? Through your voice, nakaka-heal ka ng mga kapwa sa buhay mo. Okay? Meron nga, kaya nga dito meron tayong leadership, di ba? Through your voice, through your advice, through your song, okay? You are healing people. Okay? Na-encourage mo sila. Okay? You are healing their health, their emotion. Okay? Lahat. Okay? So, continue lang. Fire dragon burns up the lower energies around you. So, you are safe and protected. So, continue. Again, you guys are being protected by the universe. Okay? So, walang dapat na ikabahala because the universe is giving you the message na safe ka. Okay? Wala kang dapat na ikabahala. Okay? We are here protecting you and guiding you. Okay? Be determined and inspired. Clear your soul pathway. So, kini-clear, parang dito, sinisunog ni universe yung mga bagay, yung mga bad energies around you. Okay? Yung mga karmic, okay, yung mga karma, sinisunog yun ni universe para ma-clear yung daanan mo. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng tamang daan. Yes, you are being guided at wala kang dapat na ikabahala. Napakaganda ng mensahe para sa'yo dito. What else? Orange Gold Dragon from Arcturus. Open your to knowledge for the new golden age. So talaga, this is like a magician. So the universe is opening the opportunity for you. This is ang ganda ng mensahe dito ha. Talagang binubuksan ng universe ang opportunity para sa iyo. Use your power. You guys are like a magician. So meron dito, hawak-hawak mo ang susi ng iyong success. Okay? Yung galing mo. Gamitin mo yung galing mo. Gamitin mo yung talent mo, yung pakiramdam mo. Okay? Follow your intuition. Gamitin mo yun para mag-success ka. And a lot of people listening to you. Okay? Maraming nakikinig sa'yo kasi nga, you healed them. Nakaka-resonate sila sa'yo. Naintindihan ka nila. Okay? Na-inspired mo sila. Okay? So, carry the energy of the future. Be guiding light. So, you are a guided, you are guiding the people around you. Siguro, talagang boss. Okay, mataas ang ano mo sa kahit sa pamilya, ikaw siguro itong tatay or siguro talagang may boss energy ka, kung ano yung sinasabi mo sa kanila, sinusunod nila. Okay? Even sa relationship, I'm hearing like may pagka-bossy ka rin. Okay? But you know better. Kaya nga you are just following your intuition. Kaya minsan parang kasi nakakaramdam ka eh. Okay? You are a magician. Okay? Yeah, you guys are very intuitive, psychic, okay? And you are, pina-follow mo yung intuition mo. So, continue lang kasi ginaguide ka ng universe. Okay? So, kini-clear niya, sinusunog niya yung mga bad energies around you for you to have, to opening, okay? Kasi meron ditong pagbubukas ng, there's an opening door, an opportunity. So, take advantage for that opportunity na binibigay sa iyo ng universe. Okay? So, kasi maganda dito eh. Ang energy mo ngayon, kung gusto mo ng na maging successful ka, the universe is giving you the opportunity. The universe is opening the door, okay? Clearing, okay? Talagang kiniklear ni universe yung daan patungo sa yung success. Kung anong yung mga minamanifest mo, yung pagpabalik, finances, okay, sa trabaho, na sana stable ito, yung pinapangarap mong trabaho, pinapangarap mong person, the universe giving you an opportunity, okay, to get that, makuha iyon, kung ano yung inaasam-asam mo, kung ano yung mga pinipray mo or minamanifest mo. Okay? So again, para ma-achieve mo itong mga success, okay, na kiniklear o ibibigay ng universe yung opportunity, always do good things to others para maganda ang balik sa iyo. Okay? Meron dito itong karma. Okay? So what else? Okay. Spirit guardian, just message, please. You know what? Since you have a person, if you're thinking about the past person or something about the person, alamin natin kung ano ang gusto niya sabihin sa'yo. Okay? Alright, spirit guardian, just ano ang gustong sabihin ng person on their mind. The person on their mind, kung sino yung inisip yung person about love related. Okay? Spirit guardian, just ano ang gusto ng person sabihin nila. Okay? Ano ang gusto sabihin ng person in their mind right now? Whenever they watch this, what they need to hear from the person. Okay, I love all the moments we've shared. Okay. So merong nakakaalala sa iyo kung hindi man ito sa iyo, okay, kung hindi man ikaw, okay, just to let you know, the person in your mind is thinking about the moment that you guys are together. Okay? So itong taong ito ay may reminiscing. Talagang nagsisink in ang reading natin dito about your person. Okay? Naalala niyo yung mga nakaraan o naalala niyo yung mga pinagsamahan ninyo. Okay? Okay. My soul is longing for you. Wow, talagang nagsisink in ha. Talagang meron tayong ditong longing. Okay, talagang your soul is longing for your person and your person is also longing with you. So maybe you are dealing with your karmic relationship. Okay, karmic person here. Living in a dream. Oh my God, it's all about the dream. Yeah. Talagang sink in yung natin dito. Talagang minamanifest ka ng taong ito. Talagang meron ditong nagde-daydreaming na sana ay magkasama kayong dalawa, na sana ay maibalik yung nakaraan. Meron, ang cute ng mensahe dito talagang you are my soulmate from the bottom of the deck. Okay, talagang soulmate mo ito. Okay, so siguro you guys are being connected, nararamdaman ninyo ang isa't isa. Okay, so what else? Spirit Angels, another message, advice, a final advice sa ating mga beloved viewers here. Okay, keep an open mind. Talagang dapat open-minded ka, okay? Kung may kausap sa'yo, meron ditong magpa-flirt sa'yo, okay? I'm also getting like, again, marami pinapalibutan ka ng mga admirer, may magpa-flirt sa'yo. So, just be an open-minded, okay? So, it's up to you how to deal with these people na magpa-flirt sa'yo, okay? So, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So, keep in mind, okay, baka itong, if you are not in a relationship right now, okay, be open-minded. Baka itong taong itong flirty sa'yo, baka ito na itong kadil mo ay yung soulmate. Okay? So, baka siguro, din to, unexpected for you na yung soulmate mo, mapagkanyamanyakis naman ang soulmate ko, napaka-daring naman ang soulmate ko. Ang gusto ko naman yung formal, yung makisig, pero itong soulmate ko, minsan kasi, yung mga expectations natin nagiging unexpected. Okay, nagiging unexpectations natin. Okay, so parang nagiging kabaliktaran. Okay, so ganun talaga pag soulmate mo na, talagang pag talaga tinamaan ka na ng araw ni from the universe, okay, talagang yun na yun. Okay? So yeah, so again, it is what it is. Okay? So what else, Spirit Angels? Another message. What they need to hear right now, Spirit Angels? At this moment, whenever they watch this video, anong dapat na marinig? Okay. A child. So more unlikely about the past person, this could be about the child, okay? A childhood. I'm also getting, meron ditong gusto mo ma-spoil yung baby mo, or it could be a baby girl, meron itong purple, maybe mahilig dito sa purple or pink, or sa teddy bear, meron number 18, siguro yung anak mo ngayon ay mag-18 na or 18, okay? So maybe you are reminiscing about your daughter, okay, or your son, okay, or your childhood memory, something like that. Okay, so again, just take what's yours here. Kung ano yung nakaka-reminisce sa'yo or naalala mo or iniisip mo palagi. Okay, this is about your child or childhood memories. Okay, so yeah. And I'm also getting like, you want to spoil your child kung ikaw ito may anak na magdadalaga na. And siguro naisip mo, hala, mag-18 na siya. Okay, so final message, Spirit Angels. You know what? Tell me more about this child. What is this about the child? Parang gusto kong anong mensahe sa anak nila or may anak about this child. Okay, so yeah, so talagang pinapriority mo yung anak mo. Kung ikaw to may anak na magdadalaga na, okay, it doesn't have to be, pinapriority mo sila. Okay, gusto mo na makuha nila yung mga or ma-achieve nila yung dapat na ma-achieve. Okay? Kumukuha ka ng lakas loob para sa kanila. Okay? You are doing your best, okay, para mabigay yung magandang bagay o magandang buhay para sa kanila. That's the good message for you here, for your child. Okay, kung ikaw to may anak na. Okay, so tama lang. Okay, tama lang na sila ang lakas mo, sila ang nagbibigay kasayahan mo, at namimiss mo sila. Okay, kaya na mayroon tayo ditong reminiscence. Okay, talagang inaalala mo sila or naalala mo sila palagi. Okay, napipicture mo sila o nakikita mo sa mga larawan. Okay, yeah. That's a good parenting here. Meron tayo ditong distance eh. Okay, final message please. So, final message from the spirit animals: help, nobility, celebrate your accomplishment with humility. Okay? So, kung kahit na maliit na bagay man yan, okay? Celebrate the accomplished, okay? Na na-accomplish mo yung mga pagsubok sa buhay mo, okay? Whatever it is na na-accomplish mo sa buhay, success is on the way, okay? So, you are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenge is limitless. So, kaya mo yan. Kung ano mga pagsubok sa buhay mo, okay? Kung nakapag-move on ka na, yeah, it's okay na i-celebrate mo yan, na finally nakapag-move on ka na, okay? Kung ano mo yung na-achieve mo sa buhay, kahit kunting bagay mo yan, i-celebrate mo yan. Okay? Kasi, minsan lang yung nangyari eh. Kung anong, yung mga achievement na nakukuha natin, minsan lang yan. So, kahit kunting bagay lang yan, i-celebrate mo. Okay? And, share it with your friends and family members. Kung sino yung kasama mo ngayon, okay? Share the blessings as well. Okay? And you will be receiving success, more success na ibibigay ng universe sa'yo dito, hanggat sa kaya mo, okay? Kaya mong maakyat, okay? Or, anong tawag doon? Makarating, okay, sa tuktok ng bundok, okay? Yung success. Kaya mo yan. Be strong, manalangin palagi, okay? And the universe is giving you success, is on the way. The universe is giving you an opportunity, a door to open, okay? Binibuksan ni universe another door, opportunity for you. Okay, so pay attention to that opportunity, okay? Whatever opportunity it is, okay? Grab that opportunity and go with it, okay? Because you are, okay, moving forward, moving to your success and stability. Good fortune for you, okay? So hanggang dito na lang sa aking mga masugid na followers. I love you guys, okay? At maraming salamat po sa laging patangkilik nyo dito sa aking reading. At naway kayo ay laging magabayan ng universe at manalangin palagi at do good things. Again, do good things to others and to yourself, hindi lang sa ibang tao o sa kapwa ninyo, sa sarili nyo rin. Love yourself, enjoy life, okay? I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading.